Funny spin trap. Okay, guys. Welcome back to. Not welcome back. Welcome to Funny Spring Trap. And today we're going to do. Okay, out of focus. Well, today we're going to do our world's strongest engine here, and that's the intro. Okay.
World crashes engine.
World crashes engine. So my brother's here. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright. So this is okay. This is what we got. We better get it together. Okay. We got it together, so I better pause this one. Okay, now it's right here. Okay, out of focus. Alright, now it's right here. Okay, let's start with engine number 1 right here. And E257. Here. E257 right here. There, E257, okay? That's what I want. That's why I call it E257. So you never know. N700, Rosie, Ryan, Merlin, Flynn, Ashima, Totoro. Actually, this Totoro is actually James, but I turned him to Totoro, and that's why the ear broke. So I call it Totoro, Victor, Thomas. Shining Thomas. Maybe it's New Year Thomas or Shining Thomas. Green Salty. So here are the engines that we just now found. So let's start. Okay, Ashraf, which one you want the first? Okay, you want the first. This one.
Okay,
Winner.
this one.
Alright then. So here we have. Oh, one more thing, guys. Make sure please subscribe. Remember, don't forget this thing. Subscribe, comment down everything in the YouTube. Comment down anything you like. Say this video cool or anything. By the way.
Comment down
Okay.
means say.
Yeah. Say. So you can comment down, like the video if you like. Okay, now let's continue now. So this
Yeah.
N700 versus E257. So you want to use the speed? Actually, you want to use the speed?
Yeah.
Okay then. Wait, I better use the autofocus. Oh my god, is this derailed?
Maybe because of the net.
Yeah, okay. Whoa, we just derailed. Oh, and there goes. And then it goes to the... Oh, look there.
I won.
Oh, guys, look. This is a tricky track, but this one lost. So
then I won.
Yeah, you won. No need to say that. Alright, so this one lost, and then we continue this one. Put on the second round here. Alright, now Henry, you want to use Henry? I want to use Henry.
Okay, I'll
So
be
Henry,
Rosie.
you be Rosie.
I just put this first. Go, Rosie. A bit
Not
fast.
yet. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Right. So, right here.
Oh,
Alright,
this
so
is a tricky track.
Alright, I better kick out.
This is a tricky icky girl. Whoa.
Alright,
That's a bit.
okay, Ashraf, you switch the track, okay? You switch the track. Because I want to record. Oh, guys, look. There goes Henry. And there goes. Oh, no. They all crashed. By the way, who's fast? It's a crash time. Alright. Oh, look. There goes. It's switched. Alright. Whoa. One of them has no fire. Alright. Wheel bar, actually. Wow, there goes Rosie going. Actually, cool view. There it goes. There goes Henry. And then there it goes. Oh no!
Wait, don't like that.
Oh no, Rosie, no! That's not cool. I mean, not cool. It's. So Henry goes to another round, and Rosie, we just gotta put here.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll do this one.
All right, Merlin's here. This one's at the back. So I will be. So I want to be. Stop making that sound. Okay. All right. Switch. It's a bit slow. Oh man, Merlin is so slow. It's slow train. Oh, actually it derailed. Maybe I better correct it up. All right. Man, what did you do there? Okay, just continue it. All right. So, oh no, they're crashing. Wow. So I lost. All right. So Merlin won. Alright, so better take Merlin to the second round. Not there, it's here. So Ashima lost. Okay, so better. No, she didn't. It didn't throw. So I want to be Victor.
I'll be Totoro.
Okay.
Victor Totoro.
No, you just say be Totoro then. Alright, you be at the back. You're at the back of.
Why?
You have to change. You better change the trap. Prepare. Whoa! Whoa, look! Oh, Victor won! Oh, Victor won, man! Oh my God! Victor won! By way he's slow! That's what Master also lost. So Victor, this is the winner here. And here comes loser. Alright, so better put them here. Alright. Now let's put Victor in the second round. Alright. So I think I better Emily, you better go away. Lol. Alright, so I wanna be Ryan. Alright, so this is Ryan. But I changed this thing. I changed that thing. Oh, it's blur? Okay. Alright, so I'm Ryan and then it's starting. Alright. Whoa! Better change but no sound. Oh, Ryan goes slow. Better push it. Alright. Oh, that's... So that's him. No. Oh no, I'm just now fleeing the rail. Oh no, someone's gonna crash. Ah man. So Ryan lost. I lost. So this is the winner and that's the winner. And this is the loser. Alright, so I better put at the loser side. So this is Flynn and then okay. We use this Thomas. Hello, I'm Big Thomas. Alright. This here goes the Shining Thomas and what? One. Alright. Wait. Alright, here goes. Go, man. This Salty has a little problem. Better push it. Don't make it cheating. You let go. Right. Oh no, Salty. Think Salty's not in use? Oh, I lost the phone. Alright. Oh, this is it. I think this Salty's better not. It is moving good. Broken. I think it's broken. Whoa! Oh my god, I think something happened to this. So I think we better change it on the second round later. Alright, let's go. I think this Solly is not okay. So I think we better fail this game. So I hope that we have to put Thomas in the correct one because he has this thing. There. This Sharpie thing. So this one it doesn't have. This one we took it out and we put it at the Emily's one. So N700, I'll be N700. And you will be what? There's nothing. Yeah. Not that. Okay, I'm already in the N700. This is why we call the N700 because it's right here. There, N700. Okay, go take yours. You want to be Thomas. Hey, wait, this is the longer one. So sorry. Sorry, nobody win, nobody lose, but you lost. You lost because you didn't do that. Okay, one fast or slow?
Fast.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Move. Whoa, N700 is going fast. And my brother changed it the direction. Whoa, look, there goes Thomas. Ah! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! And there goes. This is the loser. This is the winner. That's cool, right, guys? Would you be satisfied here? So, oh my god. This one's losing? Alright, I better change it here. So this, it goes on another round here. Put it right here. So this one, I already here. Okay, now it's right here. Alright, come on. Hey, yo, come on. Oh. Kick or trade. I already be Henry.
Okay, you're Henry.
Wow, this is a pretty cool view.
What? It's a pretty. Whoa! It's a pretty cool view.
Yeah, I did this. No, you're supposed to be at the back.
Why?
Because I'm the first. Never mind. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, wait a sec. I'll bring the camera. Oh my god, bro. Oh, why Flynn's not working? Alright, let's see. Oh, there goes. I am dead. Okay, let's go see them. Change. Alright, it's already. Oh, never mind. Alright. Oh no, here comes the crash. Oh, Henry lost. I think I better say Flynn won. Alright, Flynn is the winner, so it goes on the third round. Then we're going to move this right here. Oh my god, you're not stopping.
Can you pause and
Alright.
green salty?
Alright. Alright, so the thing is Merlin versus Victor. Oh wow, what is this? Alright, I'll be Victor. Okay. Alright. Now we better put it right here. Move. Okay, come on. So go take your one there. Merlin. Alright. 3, 2, 1, and go. Whoa, look at that. Check this out. Oh my god, we thought Victor was the one who crashed. Whoa. Alright, see. Oh, Merlin. What? Oh, there's nothing to Merlin. Oh. Okay, there goes Victor, man. Let's go, Victor. Oh, did he derail? No, right? Alright, so. Oh no, Victor derailed. Ashraf, okay as well, Victor. I think they're going to crash because they go here, then they both go crash. So I bet I should change here. And this one's already correct. No! Ah. Don't need to change. Don't need that. Oh no, there goes the crash. Oh, Victor lost. This is the loser. So Victor lost.
This is
Oh.
the third round.
What happened? I did. Alright, so here goes. Bro, I just feel it. Oh my god. Now you guys reveal my face. But make sure you should wait. Okay, here goes the winner. That's the winner. Okay, so Merlin is gonna wait, is that Merlin? Alright, this one is loser. So let's go this one. Alright. I'm in 700. Alright, it'll be the final round almost. Hey dude, what are you doing? Hello? Come on. Come on, go take your train here. Hello?
Merlin is the king. So bet I will choose Flynn, maybe.
Oh, okay then. Alright, so let's start.
Go.
Whoa, that was fast. I can't even pause that, man.
Whoa, this. Oh no.
Why are you dreaming? Don't need to do that. Oh, and 700 lost. That was a fast one, but this still slowy, toey Pokemon fault. But by the way, he wants to the final round. That was cool.
Round 3.
No, that's not round 3. You're already in round 3. So this is the loser. Alright, so this, we better put which is the fast. Alright, I'm Merlin. Now you're Flynn. It's okay? Alright, come on, man. Come on. Come on. Stop doing that. Alright, let's go do this. Never mind that. Okay. Let's go.
Okay, I'll be Merlin.
No, I'm Merlin.
Okay.
Oh, you see, it's reflecting, man. Alright, change. Alright. Oh. All these. Oh. It goes there.
There it goes.
Alright. Oh, man. Oh, Merlin failed. I helped him. Oh no. Change it.
I'll be the changer, okay?
Okay. Oh, Merlin failed.
Oh,
Not fail, okay? It's not fail. Again.
maybe Merlin sometimes have problems.
Alright. Change. Alright, so. Alright, what's this? Oh no! It's a crash! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my. Okay, I think
Alright.
we're gonna crash.
Is this going to crash? Not really. Never, I'll fix it. Alright.
Woo!
Do 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 do. So there goes. So Merlin, the zoom might be blurry. Oh, there goes Flynn. Lost. They're not lost. Oh my God. Better change to this way. If it goes that way. Okay, let's locate Merlin. Merlin's over there.
Ah!
Change. It's already changed. Alright. Alright, let's see. Let's see, Merlin.
Ah!
Okay, let's go to Merlin. Oh no, Merlin, they're going to have a crash. Oh. Oh my god, it just changed. Yo. Where's Merlin? Oh, hi there, Merlin. Oh no, there goes a crash. Whoa. Oh, I think. Okay, let's see back in the. Alright, let's see who won. This the real most. This. Okay, so I better say the winner is Merlin. Okay, I'm sorry, Flynn. You also didn't derail. So the winner is Merlin. So see you guys next time. Oh yeah, don't forget subscribe for more. Subscribe.
Bye bye.
Not yet. Subscribe. Okay, guys. Remember, if you want to see more latest videos, subscribe. Hit the notifications on so that you can know when the latest video comes. And comment down cool on any video or anything. And hope you like the video. And bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.